Hi, I'm Vincent. I'm Vanessa. Today we're gonna make something really amazing.
Is it brownies?
No.
Is it bread?
No.
Is it cookies?
Of course it's cookies. Today we're making Funfetti Cookies.
I'm so excited.
Give me a thumbs up if you ever tried Funfetti Cookies. This is what you will need. 1 stick of melted butter. And you will need 1 egg. And you will need this package of cookie mix. It's time to put our ingredients together. Let's open the Funfetti Cookie mix. Let's open it. Let's try. And are you ready for me to put it in?
The sprinkles.
It's gonna taste really good, I hope. And we have to pour the egg in, and then the butter. And the butter is going in. Okay, are you ready for me to mix it? In 3, 2, 1, mix. Now it's well combined. It's so sticky. We can't even get it off the fork now. We are ready to bake our cookies. We need a cookie sheet, a parchment paper, and a cookie scooper. Are you ready?
I'll help you.
Thank you.
Those have work to do it.
Okay, I think we're ready. Let's scoop.
Let's start, butter. It's gonna be so yummy, guys.
Like and subscribe if you like this video. If you like this video, check out my chocolate chip video. We have to put it right there. And we can't let it stick together.
We need one over here, guys, because we messed the scoop. We're not looking. Oh, there it is.
We need a cookie scooper, and the cookies have to be about the same size because when the heat touches it, they grow bigger, and we don't want it to touch because then it's a giant cookie.
Did you hear my butt is silly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we have 6 cookies. 3 for me, 1 for Mama, 1 for Tato, 1 for Vanessa.
No, Vincent. 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for Tato and Mama. Oh, the cookies are baking to 8 to 10 minutes.
Bake your cookies 8 to 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cookies are ready, and we're at the best part of our video. Cookies! It's kind of crunchy inside. Do you know what makes every cookie better? Milk! Thank you for watching our video. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to tell all your friends. And don't forget to make these cookies. Bye!
Bye. Don't tie my cookie, it's red, crunchy. You can like this one if you want. 1, 2, 3, go.